Identifying a rough, raw diamond can be exciting, especially if you think you found a valuable stone. However, many minerals can look similar to diamonds at first glance. This comprehensive guide will help you understand the key characteristics of rough diamonds and the most reliable ways to identify them at home and in the field. What is a rough diamond? A rough diamond is a natural diamond in its original, uncut and unpolished form. Unlike the sparkling gemstones you see in jewellery, rough diamonds often look dull, greasy, or like ordinary stones. They form deep within the earth under extreme heat and pressure and are brought to the surface through volcanic activity. Key characteristics of rough diamonds. Before performing any tests, it's important to understand how rough diamonds typically look and feel. 1. Shape and structure. Rough diamonds usually have irregular shapes. Many have a cubic or octahedral crystal structure, like two pyramids joined together. Edges may appear rounded due to natural wear. 2. Surface texture, often described as greasy or waxy to the touch. May have a slightly rough surface but not grainy like quartz. 3. Colour. Common colours, clear, white, yellow, brown, can also appear grey or even black. Most rough diamonds are not perfectly transparent. 4. Hardness. Diamonds are the hardest natural substance, 10 on the Mohs scale. They can scratch almost any other material. Simple at-home tests to identify rough diamonds. While professional testing is always best, these basic tests can help you get a strong indication. 1. The scratch test. Diamonds can scratch glass and many other materials. How to do it? Gently try to scratch a piece of glass. If it leaves a clear scratch, it could be a diamond. Note, some other minerals can also scratch glass, so this test alone is not definitive. 2. The fog test. Diamonds disperse heat quickly. Steps. Breathe on the stone like you would on a mirror. If the fog disappears instantly, it may be a diamond. If it stays foggy for a few seconds, it's likely not. 3. Transparency test. Place the stone over printed text. If you can clearly read through it, it is probably not a diamond. Real diamonds bend light strongly, making text hard to read through them. 4. Water test. Drop the stone into a glass of water. Diamonds are dense and will sink quickly. Lightweight stones may float or sink slowly. 5. UV light test. Under ultraviolet light, many diamonds glow blue. However, not all diamonds fluoresce, so this test is not always reliable. Field clues. Where diamonds are found. Knowing where to look is just as important as knowing what to look for. Near volcanic pipes, kimberlite or lamproite, riverbeds and gravel deposits, areas with a history of diamond discoveries. Rough diamonds are often found mixed with other heavy minerals like garnet and magnetite. Common mistakes. Stones that look like diamonds. Many stones are mistaken for rough diamonds. Quartz. Very common and can look similar. Cubic zirconia, man-made, often clearer and more flawless. Calcite, softer and easily scratched. Topaz can resemble diamond but has different properties. Professional methods of identification. If you're serious about verifying your stone, consider professional testing. 1. Diamond tester, a handheld device that measures thermal conductivity. 2. Magnification loupe. Experts look for natural inclusions and crystal patterns. 3. Specific gravity test measures density more precisely. 4. X-ray testing. Diamonds are transparent to X-rays, unlike many other minerals. Final tips. Never rely on a single test. Combine multiple methods. Be cautious. Many fake stones can pass simple tests. When in doubt, consult a professional gemologist. Conclusion. Identifying a rough diamond requires patience, observation, and a combination of tests. While at-home methods can give you clues, they are not foolproof. Understanding the natural characteristics of diamonds, such as their hardness, density, and crystal structure, will greatly improve your chances of recognizing the real thing.